Creating an invoice should be simple and fast. Today, let's compare how it's done in Brisk Invoicing versus Spreadsheets. With Brisk Invoicing, it only takes a few minutes. From the dashboard, click Create New Invoice. Select an existing customer or add a new one with their name, email, and billing address. Next, add your line items. If you've saved products or services, you can insert them instantly without retyping. Brisk automatically calculates taxes, totals, and discounts. No formulas to worry about. You can also add a quick payment note or bank details. Once done, preview the invoice, check your logo, totals, and layout. Finally, save as PDF or email it directly to your client. And just like that, in under 5 minutes, you have a professional branded invoice ready to go. Now let's look at spreadsheets. First, you'll need to open a template or design one manually. Then, type in the customer details and enter products or services line by line. You'll also need to make sure all formulas for subtotals, taxes, and totals are correct. Formatting can take extra time. Adjusting the logo, spacing, and alignment so it looks clean. Once the invoice is ready, save it as a PDF. Then, manually attach it to an email before sending it to your client. Even if you're quick, this process often takes 15 to 20 minutes, and there's always a chance of mistakes in formulas or formatting. The difference is clear. Brisk Invoicing is built for speed, accuracy, and convenience, turning invoicing from a manual, error-prone process into a smooth, professional workflow that saves you valuable time.